I'm Sam.
I'm Stacy.
And this is
The
Sam and Stacey Show, dumb people version.
Welcome to iSamAndStacey. We hate dumb people.
Whee!
Woo! Are you dumb?
You shouldn't be.
Otherwise, we hate you.
A lot.
Is that your cup?
This?
Yes.
No, this is actually a piece of cake that I carry around for when I get hungry.
Oh.
Oh,
Is that your fork?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, this is my cup.
Okay. I'm just dumb, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so.
So, like, if we're driving 80 miles per hour, we would probably go, in an hour, we would probably go, like, 65.
Maybe, but, like, okay.
Because if I run, like, a 6-minute mile...
But you have to consider, like, is that when you're in shape or, like, when you're out of shape?
Oh, that's true. That's when I'm, like, 6. That's kind of when I'm in shape.
Okay, yeah.
But, like,
same.
when I'm out of shape, I guess it could be more like 10. So...
And, like, and think about, like, when the wheels are turning at, like, 400 times a mile.
What if we're, like, turning? Does that count?
If we're turning, the car.
Yeah.
It probably, like, adds time onto it.
Okay, so if we carry the 1, drop the 12, it's like 73.5 miles in an hour if we're going 80 miles per hour. They go boom.
They go boom.
Boom, boom!
Because, like, when I think about it in my head, like, you said you run a 6-minute mile when you're in shape. I run, like, a 5. So,
So I guess you're better than me.
So, like, yeah, I guess. But when I run a 5, okay, if you run a 6 and your wheels turn 400 times, I run a 5, but my wheels turn 500 times. So it, like, makes up for, like, the time that you, like, added on. So, like, mine would still be 70, what'd you say, 73.5?
Yes.
Mine would still be 73.5.
So what would mine be? Around, like...
73.5.
Oh, that makes sense.
Because, like...
Because you're making up for the time that I lack.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes, it's adding on to my... Because my wheels are not as good as yours. I bought bad wheels when I bought my car.
I mean, I blew 2 tires, so... Don't hit curves.
Okay, so if 2 times 2 is 5, and I'm running across the road...
and a squirrel darts in front of me, and I trip, would I get there before the sun sets?
It's going to be a lot of dodging, you know, because
yeah.
you're, like, tripping, but you're trying to, like, roll in a, like, you know, you're trying to, like, stumble out of the way of cars.
Okay,
It could go on for hours. You might not make it. And then there might be another squirrel.
My teacher was, like, asking me things like, what's, like, 2 times 8? And I was, like, 70. And she was like, good job. And I was like, yeah, I know. And it's just, like... the whole time, like, so...
It was just coming to you.
Yeah, I was just
A+.
so on, like, thank you. It was just all in my head, too. I didn't even use my calculator, and even hard ones, like, what's 200 times 10? And I was like, 45, and she's like, God, you're so smart. Do you need math help?
Yes. It's okay. We all find out we're adopted once in a while. 20 minus 1, I thought was 19. But that, like, wouldn't make sense at all. Can you explain to me why this wouldn't make sense?
Okay, well, and see, like, what your thinking process was.
You get where I'm coming from. With, like,
I do.
The 1.
I completely,
Okay.
yeah, like, 20 minus 1, like, 19, I can see, like, kind
Why?
of how, yeah, but, like,
Right.
if you use, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Right. So you have to do the parentheses first. Like,
So, like,
everything in the parentheses. So, like, 20 minus 1.
20 minus 1. So, okay, so that would be right there is 17. So, like, you're not even...
I'm not even close to 19.
No.
Okay. Exponents.
And the
to,
exponent
like, the 0
is
power.
0.
So it kind of times itself by 0.
So it's the same. So it's 17.
Right.
So
and
then multiplication.
Please excuse my multiplication. So, like, when it's... so it's, like, 17 times 17. Because it's, like, times itself by itself.
Yeah, which is 73.
You're right. You're smart at math. I'm going to go with you. 73. And, like... Please excuse my dear. Division. So I'm dividing
17 by
7 by 3. Because it's
7
like
by
73.
You're right. I'm sorry.
So
that
I
slipped
get
my
like
mind.
6 3/4. Okay, right?
So right now we're at 6 3/4.
Okay, so then, please excuse my dear. Addition. Do I add the 3/4 to 6?
Yes.
So
Is
we
that
get-
what you didn't do before?
No. I was like, you know.
You add the 3/4 to 6.
Okay, so I get 6 3/4.
Again.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, dear Aunt Sally. Subtraction. So I subtract the whole thing by itself.
So you get 17.
Oh.
You were close. I get gold stars every day.
I want gold stars.
You should probably be smart.
Okay.
If I, learned a different language and went to the country that spoke that language and then spoke English, I'd probably be famous.
Australia.
Yes.
They, have, a crazy accent.
Like,
So, when we speak English, they're going to be so blown away.
they're going to be like,
what
are you saying?
And I'm going to be like, saying words.
What color is the sky?
Orange. Can I take this off? I'm hot.
Yes.
Hotness.
But if you're hot, you probably leave it on.
I know, because that's what smart people do.
Yeah. But are you cold?
Dumb. What?
Are you
I'm
cold?
so cold.
Then you can take it off.
Okay. Brr.
All better now.
So much better. I have a question.
Okay.
Little pump. You're mean. Ow. You hurt me.
I hit the side of your face.
You hurt me.
Do you want some frozen meat to put on your
No.
Ow! 7 plus 1. 35.
Okay.